Welcome to The Real Origin of Humans, Africa or Not? Mind-blowing revelation. A thought-provoking journey into one of the most fundamental questions that has captivated human minds for centuries. Where did we, as a species, truly originate? Throughout history, the prevailing wisdom has pointed to Africa as the cradle of humanity. But in this documentary, we're about to delve deep into a mind-bending exploration that challenges the conventional narrative, unearths astonishing evidence, and reopens the debate about the origins of our species. As we embark on this quest for answers, prepare to have your perspectives challenged, your assumptions questioned, and your understanding of human evolution transformed. Join us as we unearth the mysteries surrounding our true origins in The Real Origin of Humans, Africa or Not? Mind-blowing revelation. Our exploration begins with a theory deeply embedded in the fabric of human evolutionary history, the belief that Africa served as the birthplace of our species. This long-standing consensus has been shaped by a wealth of compelling evidence, fundamentally shaping our understanding of our origins. Crucial to this theory are the extraordinary fossil discoveries unearthed on African soil, offering remarkable insights into our ancestral past. In tandem, genetic studies scrutinizing the DNA of contemporary human populations worldwide further reinforce the conviction that Africa is the crucible of humanity. The Out of Africa hypothesis. The Out of Africa hypothesis, also known as the recent single origin or replacement model, proposes that anatomically modern humans, Homo sapiens, originated in Africa. This origin is believed to have occurred around 200,000 years ago, in regions that are now part of Ethiopia and other African countries. This hypothesis is in contrast to the earlier multi-regional model, which suggested that modern humans evolved separately in different regions of the world. At the heart of this hypothesis lies the compelling idea that early humans embarked on an epic journey, leaving their African homeland and venturing into diverse environments across the globe. This migration marked a critical turning point in our evolutionary history. The hypothesis asserts that small groups of early humans ventured out of Africa and dispersed into Asia, Europe, and beyond. Over thousands of years, these intrepid explorers adapted to new environments, faced challenges, and evolved both physically and culturally. The Out of Africa theory suggests that these migrating populations gradually replaced or absorbed existing hominin populations in other regions, ultimately giving rise to the wide diversity of human cultures and ethnicities we see today. To support the Out of Africa hypothesis, a wealth of archaeological evidence has been unearthed on different continents. These discoveries have provided valuable insights into the migration patterns, tool-making techniques, and lifestyles of early human populations. Archaeological sites in Africa, such as the Jebel Irhoud site in Morocco and the Blombos cave in South Africa, have yielded fossil remains and artifacts that help piece together our ancestral story. These findings showcase the ingenuity and adaptability of early humans in their African homeland. Outside of Africa, archaeological sites like Skul and Kafse in Israel, as well as the Denisova cave in Siberia, have provided valuable clues about the journey and adaptation of early humans as they spread across the globe. These sites have revealed evidence of tool manufacturing, symbolic art, and the mixing of different human populations. Mind-blowing revelation, alternative theories. Intriguingly, there exist alternative theories, each presenting a unique perspective on the origins of our species. These theories, though controversial, offer a captivating glimpse into the complexities of human evolution. Let's explore these alternative theories and the compelling arguments put forth by their proponents. Some researchers have proposed the multi-regional hypothesis, which suggests that modern humans didn't emerge from a single African population, but rather evolved from multiple hominin populations across different regions. This theory challenges the notion of a single point of origin and implies a more complex web of interconnected evolutionary pathways. Another theory gaining attention is the hybridization hypothesis. This proposes that instead of a linear progression, human evolution involved interbreeding and hybridization between different hominin species. Genetic studies, such as the discovery of Neanderthal DNA in modern humans, provide compelling support for this idea. Additionally, some theories explore the possibility of parallel human evolution, suggesting that different groups of early humans independently developed modern traits and capabilities in various parts of the world. Such hypotheses raise fascinating questions about the diversity of human evolutionary pathways. The multi-regional hypothesis. Our journey into alternative theories brings us to the fascinating multi-regional hypothesis, a perspective that challenges the traditional African origin theory by suggesting that human evolution occurred simultaneously in various regions of the world. According to this hypothesis, early humans didn't exclusively evolve in Africa and then migrate elsewhere. Instead, it posits that different populations across different parts of the globe developed modern human traits independently and in parallel. Supporters of the multi-regional hypothesis point to a range of archaeological findings and genetic data as evidence for their viewpoint. Archaeological discoveries from sites such as Zhoukoudian in China and Jebel Kafsa in the Middle East have revealed ancient human fossils with traits resembling those of modern humans. These findings suggest that anatomically modern characteristics may have emerged in different geographic regions. Genetic studies too offer insights into this theory. Some proponents argue that the genetic diversity observed in contemporary human populations is indicative of long-term regional evolution, rather than a single African origin. However, it's important to note that the multi-regional hypothesis is not without controversy, and it has faced counter-arguments and skepticism. Critics argue that the genetic evidence, particularly from mitochondrial DNA and Y chromosomes, strongly supports the out-of-Africa model, which posits a single African origin for modern humans. There are also debates about the interpretation of fossil evidence, with some researchers contending that the similarities observed in fossils from different regions could be attributed to shared ancestral populations rather than independent evolution. Recent discoveries and breakthroughs. In our ongoing pursuit of the real origin of humans, Africa or not, we find ourselves at the cutting edge of scientific discovery, where recent breakthroughs and fossil discoveries are rewriting the script of human evolution. The field of human evolution is in a constant state of evolution itself, with researchers unearthing new fossils and making groundbreaking observations that challenge conventional wisdom. Advancements in fields such as paleontology, genetics, and geology have opened up new avenues for exploration. High-resolution imaging, DNA analysis, and sophisticated dating techniques have enabled scientists to piece together the puzzle of our past with unprecedented precision. Interdisciplinary collaborations between experts in various fields have fostered a more holistic approach to understanding human evolution. As we uncover recent discoveries and breakthroughs, we'll gain a deeper appreciation for the ways in which science is revolutionizing our grasp of our own history. The debate continues. As we navigate the intricate terrain of human origins, the debate surrounding the African origin theory continues to captivate scientists and thinkers worldwide. We've witnessed the compelling arguments both for and against the notion that Africa is the cradle of humanity. From fossil evidence to genetic studies, each side presents its case, fostering a dynamic discourse that fuels our pursuit of truth. In the realm of human evolution, one thing is certain: the debate is far from settled. Ongoing discussions and unanswered questions permeate the field, pushing us to further explore the mysteries of our past. Questions about the timing and roots of early human migrations, the interplay between different hominin species, and the role of environmental factors persist as enigmatic puzzles awaiting resolution. Our documentary seeks not to provide final answers, but to encourage critical thinking and exploration of diverse viewpoints. It's through the collision of ideas that progress is made, and our understanding of the human story evolves. The beauty of science lies in its ever-expanding horizons. The journey for truth is a perpetual one, and our understanding of our origins is a testament to the relentless pursuit of knowledge. In closing, we encourage you, our viewers, to stay curious and informed as science continues to unravel the mysteries of our past. The story of humanity is a tapestry woven with threads of discovery and inquiry, and the chapters yet to be written promise to be as mind-blowing as those that have come before. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary voyage. Until we meet again, remember that the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds.